Okay, so you've got a 3/8 cell shade here that you're needing to replace the clutch on because you have a CCL and maybe your clutch is broken, maybe the cord's broken, maybe it could be a variety of things, but I've got good news. Replacing the clutch, very simple process. So this is a larger shade, but I'm going to, for the sake of the frame, just show the clutch end here. So the first thing that you need to do is take the shade down. Okay, the brackets for these are really simple, but once you have the shade down and you have it on a good working surface like this table that I have here, you can then take a look down into the top of the shade and you'll see, if it focuses, that this is the clutch mechanism, and then where it attaches to this rail here that goes into the mechanism for winding up and down the cording of the shade, that there's actually a little set screw, a little Phillips head in my case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just loosen this set screw just a little bit here. And now that this set screw is loosened, I should be able to just pull the clutch right off and out. When we're getting our new clutch onto the shade, we just need to be sure to index those together properly. So that's grabbing onto the rail the way it's supposed to. Okay, so you see I had to fiddle with it just a little bit, but at the end of the day, making sure that that square rod coming in from this side matches up with the square hole on this side. And you can see here there's actually even a little bit of movement with the rail, so I was able to move the rail a little bit more out this way to get the clutch to index with it properly. And now that the clutch is on the rail and ready to go, I can take my screw here. Definitely helps if you have magnetic tools. Get it back in that hole and tighten it back down just till it goes. There we go. And then we're good to go. Your new clutch should be nice and settled. Thank you.